I'm so excited to get your party started. I wanted to give you some information on how to send out invitations, okay? Because this is super crucial in a successful party. So what we don't want to do is we don't want to just hit that invite button in that party group that I'm going to send you. Reason why is because it's getting people in Facebook jail, and it's a very impersonal way to send an invitation to someone. People want to feel special, they want to feel thought of, and the best way to get people wanting to join your party is to send them a personal message. It's kind of like receiving an invitation in the mail for an awesome party that your friend is having or a family member is having. Makes you feel special and thought of, right? Especially when they use your name in the message or on the postcard. So what we're going to do is I'm going to send you a script that you can copy and paste, and then you just include their name. You can personalize it if you want to, and I want you to send it to 30 to 40 people, okay? You don't have to do it all at once. I'm going to give you like 3 days or so to get that done, and I promise you, you're going to get an awesome result out of it because you're sending these messages personally rather than just hitting that invite button. Most of the time, my hostesses get a better success rate with people wanting to join and wanting to buy just because of this simple step, okay? If you have any questions, though, make sure you reach out to me. Hey girl, I'm so excited for your party to start tomorrow. Okay, so I'm gonna give you like a quick rundown of how this party is gonna go. So just so that you understand how it's gonna run, okay? So first what we're gonna do is we're going to have 3 days of pre-party days. So those are just opportunities for your guests to kind of learn more about the company, learn how the shipping works. There's a few games in there just for them to get kind of entertained, and we can start getting that interaction and that interest going in your party. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to have our actual 5-day event. So each day is going to represent a different part of the catalog. And then every night we're going to have a really fun game for your guests to join in and be a part of. The third night, we're going to do a live event, okay? And it's going to be a really fun game to get your guests joining and having some fun and winning some prizes. Along with that, I will do a demo, and I'll usually post a poll asking your guests what they want to see, what they're interested in learning more about, and then I'll usually take those ideas, put it together, and put it in that demo. So, wanted to give you that rundown, and also, before I forget, a couple days before the party actually ends, we are going to be doing a follow-up process. So we're going to be checking in with everybody who hasn't ordered yet, and we're going to be making sure that we maximize on your party, because the more sales we can get you means that you will get the most of the rewards for the party. Okay, and that's my goal for you, girl. Okay, so if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. Can't wait to party with you tomorrow. Hey lady, I hope you're having fun in your party so far. So I wanted to follow up with you because we are about to get into our follow-up process. So I'm gonna walk you through how that part is gonna work. We do have some ladies that have not ordered yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna reach out to them in a personal message. I'm gonna give you a personal script so you can reach out to a few ladies. I'll reach out to a few ladies. And we're going to give them the option to ask for help, or give them the option to request for a link so that they can place their orders before the party actually ends, okay? Now, usually during this process, we get like a whole bunch of extra orders. So most people, they just forget. Sometimes when it comes to Facebook, it's very easy to forget that there's a party going on. Life gets in the way. That's totally normal. We're just going to be sending them friendly reminders and giving them the option to place their orders. Or if they have questions, to reach out. So if any of your people, when they respond to your message, have questions or need any help, feel free to put me in a 3-way conversation with them, or tag me in a post, or just message me and say, hey, this person needs some help. Do you mind reaching out to them? And then give them the heads up and let them know I'm going to be sending them a message. Because if we're not friends on Facebook, they're just going to get a message request and they may not see it. So that's what we're going to be doing. If you have any additional questions, girl, just let me know. I'm here for you. And yeah, I can't wait to see what we come up with.